Hi, let's start our Xero course by signing up for free trial account. So Xero allows you to have the trial for 30 days and it's absolutely free. So what you need to do is you need to register on Xero's website for free trial. So let me take you through the steps. So the address is www.xero.com/uk and sign up. So if you just copy and paste the sign address to your internet. So I'm just opening a new tab here and paste. And if you enter, click on sign up for Xero free trial Xero UK. And once you clicked on that, Xero asks you to enter the basic details. So I'll be just putting my details here. First name, last name, the email address. So make sure you'll be using the same email address when you log in to your Xero account. So choose the email address which is accessible to you. So I'll be using my email address, which is zerotrainingenquiries@gmail.com. Phone number. So you can just give your telephone number. Country is United Kingdom. And make sure you click this small box and agree the terms and conditions. And it's up to you. If you'd like to have any marketing materials from Xero, you can click it. But if you don't prefer it, just tick the small box. Please don't send me any marketing. And then click on Get Started. So once you clicked on that, you are in the process of trial. So you get the message here with your name, and then Xero asks you to click on the link which has already been sent to your inbox. So if you click on go to my inbox and make sure you go to the same email address which you have given to Xero. So as you can see on my inbox, there is already an email arrived from Xero. So once you clicked on that, Xero asks you to identify and confirm that you are the one who have requested for the free trial. So click on yes, it's me. Let's get started. So once you clicked on that, Xero asks you to activate your account. So the password for security reason. So you can just select whatever password you prefer. And then again, you get an opportunity to click whether you like to have marketing material. So I'm just selecting no. And then click on activate your account. If you like to remember the password on your computer, you can just select appropriately. And that's how you have signed up for free trial.